Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the universe and all its secrets. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm excited to share some fascinating space news with you today. We're going to start with a story that's out of this world, literally. NASA's Artemis II mission is gearing up to send astronauts back to the moon, and this time, they'll be getting a closer look at the far side of our lunar neighbor. The far side, often mistakenly called the dark side, has been a mystery to humans for centuries. But with the Artemis II crew's trained eyes and state-of-the-art equipment, we're about to learn a lot more about it. The astronauts on board will have 3 full hours dedicated to observing the moon's surface, studying variations in grayscale that can hint at different rock types and ages. They'll be moving between looking with their own eyes, taking pictures with cameras, and talking through what they see with flight controllers in Houston. And with the freedom to explore as they please, who knows what new discoveries they might make. The far side of the moon is a treasure trove of geological history, with fewer dark patches or maria than the near side. This means that it has a more pristine record of cosmic collisions, which could reveal a lot about the solar system's past. By studying this side of the moon, scientists hope to gain insights into the moon's formation and evolution, as well as the potential for future landing sites. As astronaut Christina Koch said, "We hope it's not the dark side," referring to its old, misleading nickname. We hope it's the lit far side. And with the Artemis II mission, we're one step closer to making that a reality. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, where we're exploring the vast expanse of the universe and uncovering its secrets. As we continue our journey through the cosmos, we find ourselves at the edge of a mystery that has been puzzling scientists since the James Webb Space Telescope began its observations in 2022. Imagine being part of a cosmic detective story where astronomers are trying to solve the enigma of little red dots, faint red objects that have been observed in a distant universe. These mysterious dots may hold the key to understanding the birth of the most massive black holes in the universe. It's a feeding frenzy of black holes, where they grow and evolve over billions of years, shaping the cosmos as we know it. As scientists delve deeper into this phenomenon, they're using the James Webb Space Telescope to look back in time, observing the universe when it was just 700 million years old. This is a crucial period in cosmic history, when the first stars and galaxies were forming, and the seeds of supermassive black holes were being sown. The discovery of little red dots has sparked excitement among astronomers, as it may represent the first direct observational evidence of the birth of these massive black holes. It's a reminder that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled, and that the James Webb Space Telescope is a powerful tool in our quest for understanding. As we ponder the significance of this discovery, we're reminded of the awe-inspiring scale of the universe, with billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, and at the heart of many, a supermassive black hole. It's a cosmic perspective that puts our own existence into context, encouraging us to continue exploring, questioning, and seeking answers. The search for knowledge is a fundamental aspect of human nature, driving us to push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. As we venture further into the unknown, we're not only expanding our understanding of the universe, but also inspiring future generations to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we gaze up at the starry night sky, our minds often wander to the incredible technological advancements that bring us closer to understanding the universe and ourselves. Today, we're going to take a brief detour from the cosmos and explore the latest developments in smartphone technology. You might wonder what this has to do with stargazing, but bear with me, as the intersection of innovation and human curiosity is a fascinating topic. Imagine holding a device in your palm that not only connects you to the world, but also captures the beauty of the stars with unparalleled clarity. The latest rumors surrounding the Samsung Galaxy S26 series are abuzz with exciting features such as improved camera capabilities, potentially matching or even surpassing those of its competitors. For instance, enhancements in low-light photography could mean capturing the night sky in breathtaking detail, bringing us closer to the celestial wonders we admire. Furthermore, the inclusion of next-gen Gorilla Glass could make screen protectors a thing of the past, providing our devices with an extra layer of durability as we venture out into the night, gazing up at the stars. And let's not forget about the scam detection feature, rumored to be making its way to Samsung devices, which uses AI to proactively alert us to potential scams, much like how astronomers use advanced technologies to detect and study celestial phenomena. The race for innovation in smartphone technology is akin to the quest for understanding the universe. Both push the boundaries of what we thought was possible, leading to breakthroughs that can inspire new generations of explorers, scientists, and tech enthusiasts alike. As we consider the potential of devices like the Galaxy Trifold, with its innovative design and capabilities, we're reminded that the future of technology is not just about gadgets, but about how they can enhance our connection to the world and the universe around us. So, as you look up at the stars tonight, remember that the advancements in the tech world are part of a broader human endeavor to explore, discover, and push beyond the frontiers of what we know. Whether it's through the lens of a smartphone camera or the eye of a telescope, our curiosity about the universe and its many mysteries is what drives us forward. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.